In this video, we are going to show you how the Forex VPS work. The answer is very simple, but still, we are going to answer all the possible options. So you will get a 100% better understanding about Forex VPS. So the question is how the Forex VPS work. Before moving further, we would like to share you one thing. That is, dedicatedco.com is the actual vendor for the almost 60% of the Forex trading market. So that means if you are purchasing any VPS from any VPS companies or any Forex VPS companies, that means directly or indirectly you are purchasing a VPS from dedicatedco.com. There are a lot of plans are available here. So now the question is, how did it work, right? So the question is very simple. The answers has to be given in a very point wise. The very first, if you are a Forex trader, so that time you need a computer. So that computer helps you to trade better. In this case, you need to consider three main factors. What are those main factors? First one, internet and power. Second one is hardware. And third one is the system, right? So if it has issues like internet or power cable shutdown or hardware failure and system getting error, so that time you may not able to do a trading. So this is the simple questions. So that time the concepts come is Forex VPS. What is Forex VPS? That means the Forex VPS is nothing but a remote computer. So that runs 24/7 without an internet issue, power cable connection problem or hardware failure, even if any system glitches. So that time you will have a dedicated team to help you, and even if you just need to pay a very small amount to get a data center access. So this is what the VPS is. Why we need Forex VPS? So the answer is this one. But here how it works. So when you need to test any robot or any trading or auto trading platform, so that time you need another system because you cannot able to do it directly on your computer if anything goes wrong, right? So that time your system may get crash and you need to pay a lot of money to recover it from the computer repair centers. So better to have a computer. So just need to pay, use it. If anything goes wrong, you can do a one click and reinstall OS and everything will restart. So this is what the advantage is. This is how it works. Now if you wanted to test anything or do a demo, you can able to do. For example, if you wanted to test for another 5 days, means like 24/7 5 days, so that time your system cannot be useful. Because if you run your system 5 days continuously 24/7, may it get hardware failure or may it get burned because of heat and all. So you may lose thousands of dollars, right? Better to have a pay $10 or $20 or $30 a month and get the fully function system. That is nothing but a Forex VPS. Now the next one is latency, speed issues. There are a lot of things will be all the problems will automatically solve if you use a Forex VPS. And when we talk about the cost cutting, I have already shared you that if you are using local computer, it cannot be run 24/7. If you run, it might be get failure and you will lose your money. But in the VPS, you just need to pay a rental and you will have thousands of dollars systems in a very fraction of cost. So that means how the Forex VPS work. The very simple way, Forex VPS is nothing but a remote computer. So that has a huge power. That helps you to avoid unexpected situations. If something happens with your system, you may lose everything. But something happens with the Forex VPS, so that time you can able to instantly replace that and get the new with no additional cost. So this is what about how the Forex VPS work. If you wanted to know more about advantages, disadvantages, what is Forex VPS, and there are a lot of things will be the how to set up the MT4, how to trade the VPS, and lot of things. The links are given in the description. You can able to learn all the possible things. If you have any other queries, please comment below. We will come up with a new video guide.